At first, take my salam to my honorable teacher. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahfuzur Rahman. My ID 182262239. Today, my presentation topic is appeal and revision. Now, I will discuss appeal. And the word appeal has not been defined the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. However, it can be described as the judicial examination of the decision given by the lower court by a higher court. The Meridian website dictionary define appeal as the legal proceeding by which a case of brought before a higher court for review of the decision of the lower court. CRPC contains elaborate provision on the appeal statutory from section 372 to section 394. It need to be pointed out that except for the statutory provision laid down by the CRPC or provision any other law which enforces an appeal cannot be live from any judgment or an order of the criminal code. Revision. The word revision has not been defined the CRPC. However, as per section 379 of CRPC, the High Court or the any section judge have been empowered to call for and examine and records of any proceeding satisfied on self. Firstly, as to the correction, legality or property of any finding, sentence or order either recorded on past, and as to the regulating of any proceeding of an therefore court. There are certain statutory limitations that have been imposed to the High Court for exercising its revisional powers as per section 401 of CRPC. However, the only statutory requirement to exercise this power is that the records of the proceeding are presented before it, after which it is slowly of the court. Thank you, sir.